Welcome, I'm Aliki. I'm here to help you upgrade your energy. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you constantly think about someone. I will cover 8 reasons that could be the cause of someone being on your mind, no matter what it is you're doing in the day. I also want to share with you something that happened just now. As I was getting ready to film this video, the mailman brought the Thinking About Someone necklace that we've created for you. And I thought it was such a beautiful sign from the universe, a beautiful synchronicity. When we see these synchronicities happen, I don't know, I feel so excited. I don't know if you feel the same way. And I'm like, look, it's a sign from the universe. I wish for you to be as happy as I am right now wearing the necklace we've created for you. You can find the link in the description below. Number 1 is the most obvious one, that you're in love with them or you have a crush on this person, and that's the reason that you're constantly thinking about them. This is natural. It happens to nearly everyone. Whenever we feel a physical or an emotional attraction towards someone, we think about them all through the day because we're dreaming of them. We're daydreaming of things that we would like to be experiencing with them in our life. And so it's very natural that you have conversations in your head where you share with them what it is that you're experiencing, where you want them to be a part of your daily life, of your thoughts, of your feelings, of your experiences, of your actions. You want to share everything with this person, and this is very natural. Number 2, you're picking up on the energy of them thinking about you. Now, many times it may be that you think that these are your thoughts, your feelings, that you are constantly thinking about them. But what's actually happening is they are thinking about you, and you feel it as if it is your own thoughts, your own feelings. Now, there are ways for you to differentiate if it's you thinking of them or if it's them thinking of you. And I've created several videos that can help you understand how the energy works to know if it's them or if it's you. Number 3, something triggered your memory of them. When we hear a song, a sound, we smell something that reminds us of an experience we had with this person. It could be a name, a word, a sentence, an experience, anything that brings their energy back to you. You instantly connect within you to the energy of what it was you experienced with them in the past. And the past is no longer in the past, it's come to the here and now. And you can often feel very confused because you could say that I haven't spoken to this person for so long, I haven't heard from them for so long. Why are they on my mind all the time right now? What is causing this? And this is the reason that energy like this can flow forward right in the here and now. And it's something that belongs in the past, but it's come to the here and now. When this happens, it's usually a sign that there's something that you need to see, something you need to experience, something that you need to understand. So when it is that you are constantly thinking of someone from your past, see what this energy is showing you. Understand and move forward with power, with happiness, and with love. Number 4, you see something in this person that you want to experience more of. And for this reason, you're constantly thinking of them. And it's not so much that it has to do with the specific person, but what they represent for you. See what it is that this person makes you feel, what it is that they make you experience, what it is that they make you think of. And once you understand this, then you can choose how it is that you yourself can bring this energy more into your life, how it is that you can experience it and choose it and bring this forward. Number 4 ties in very closely with number 5, which is that they bring out the best in you. And because you truly love who you are around them, you think of this person all the time. And it's not that you're so attached to the person themselves, but you're really loving who you are. They bring out someone that you're proud being, that you're happy being, that you love being this person. So see what it is that they make you say, what it is that they bring out in your behavior, in your feelings, in your thoughts, and see how it is that you can choose to bring this forward without the other person having to be there. Because what it is that they bring out from within you is there. It is within you. So you can choose to bring this forward without it being triggered by the other person, by an experience, by the environment that is around you. It is within you. Bring it forward from within you. This is beautiful. This is powerful. And I wish this for you because it is the uniqueness, the magnificence that you are. Number 6, they're ghosting you. And so you're constantly thinking of them because you're trying to understand why it is that they're behaving this way. Why did they suddenly stop speaking to you? Why did they block you? Why did they cut all ties? And because you don't understand and you feel wronged, you feel misunderstood, misjudged, and you really don't like the way that you're suddenly without this person in your life. And because you're trying to understand what it is that they're thinking, what it is that they're feeling, you are constantly thinking of them. And it's very natural, but what happens is your energy moves from you, from your heart, from your core, and it's moved to the other person that you are trying to understand, that you're trying to work out. The more it is that you move your energy back into you when this happens, the more empowered you are, the more clarity you will have. And then when your energy is within you and you look at the other person, then you will understand why it is that they have moved out of your life. The reason. It usually is that you need at that very point to be in your own power, to be in your own happiness, in your own love, and move forward knowing that it is all within you. This will make you feel so much better because you will not feel wronged. You will not feel hurt. You will feel powerful. You will feel full of love and full of happiness. Number 7, they triggered the memory of a time that you miss. It's a time that you experienced love, that you experienced happiness, that you experienced something that right now you do not have in your life. And it doesn't necessarily mean that they played a large role in your life at that time, but they triggered the memory and they brought forward the energy of all that time in your life forward. And when it comes forward, because they were the trigger, they are the person on your mind. And once you understand why this is happening and that it's not literally the person that you're thinking about, but the time that you miss, then you can understand what it is of that time that you want to experience more of and see how it is that you can bring this forward perhaps in your life right now. Is it something that you want to be experiencing right now in your life? Is it something that you just feel nostalgic about and you want to see and understand the energy of the past? Whatever it is, you will understand by looking at it, by understanding what this energy is showing you, what this means for you. This is very, very personal, and you can see it only by looking at it from within you. Number 8 is the most powerful of all, which is that you have an energy connection with this person. You are connected in your heart, in your core, and for this reason, they are constantly on your mind. This is someone that needs to be a part of your life, someone that you feel their energy around you, you feel them coming forward from within your heart, from within your core. They are a part of who you are. And when this happens, the more it is that you are able to move into the power within you, the happiness within you, the love within you, the more they will feel it. They will come when you are truly standing in all that you are experiencing the happiness of you flowing forward in every cell, in every fiber of your existence, in every cell, in every fiber of your being. And you bring this forward in everything you say and everything you do. It's not just your thoughts, it's not just your feelings. You put it into action. And this will be felt by the person because they are deeply connected to you. And just as you feel them, they also feel you. I wish you happiness and love. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and also remember to like.